I'm Felix and I work for Ronseal. I absolutely love DIY and I love using Ronseal products because they're so easy to use. We put together a few videos to help you complete whatever project you're doing. We really hope you find them useful. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to treat your fence with Ronseal Fencelife Plus. Fencelife Plus can be used on all sheds and fences, and you can use it on smooth and rough timber. It gives you great flexibility because it has lots of colour choices, and you can use it on damp wood, which is great for this British weather. And it will keep your wood protected for up to 5 years.
Prep is simple but very important. Make sure the wood is dry and you mask off any areas you don't want to paint, like fence posts. Cover any shrubs with a plastic sheet. Then brush away any dirt and cobwebs. If using a brush, give the tin a stir. Get loads of paint on your brush and apply a thick coat. If you notice any drips, just brush them in. On a tight schedule, go for the sprayer. You get the job done 5 times quicker. Just pour, pump, and pick the narrow setting. Standing about 15 cm from the fence, spray the edges. When you're done, set the nozzle to wide, step back and fill in the gaps. Use long, steady, horizontal arm movements, and overlap each pass by 50% for proper coverage. It takes about 4 hours to dry and you should only need 2 coats, but if your fence is made from smooth wood or in bad nick, you may need more.
And because all Ronseal fence products are water-based, once you're done, you just need warm soapy water to wash your brushes, and that's it.
Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.